it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on continuity, taken from the 2019 IB Paper 1. In this question, we are given a split function. A split function is one where we have different parts of our domain split into different functions, all making up one function called f of x in this case. In the first question, we are to determine the limit as x tends to minus 4 of f of x if it exists, and if not, to explain why. So, if we have a look at where x is equal to minus 4, that occurs on that arm. From the left, it is that function. From the right, it is that function. So what we do is we work out the limit. We say the limit as x tends to 4 from the left, and we were talking about minus 4. That would be working with this part of the function, and that would then be evaluated as 0,5 times minus 4 plus 4, which is 2. Now the limit as x tends to minus 4 from the right is the limit of 3, which is 3. So the limit as x tends to minus 4 from the left of the function f of x does not equal to the limit as x tends to minus 4 from the right of f of x, and hence the limit does not exist at x equal to minus 4. Okay, it's the left-hand side of the limit, the right-hand side of the limit needs to be the same, and in this case there's 2 on the left, 3 on the right. So the limit doesn't exist at x equal to minus 4. The next part of this question, why is f discontinuous at x equal to minus 2? So we've got to do something similar here. We've got to say the limit as x tends to minus 2 from the left. And from the left is this part of the graph. So that would be the limit of 3 is 3. Then, for discontinuity, we also need to look at f of minus 2. In other words, the function value when x is equal to minus 2. And that's this part over here. The function value is 2. Then the limit as x tends to minus 2 from the right. From the right, we would be looking at that part of the graph, which is a function 0,5 x squared plus 1, which is 0,5 times minus 2 squared plus 1, which is half of 4, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So this tells us the limit from the left is equal to the limit from the right, but not equal to the function value. So what we would then say is, to conclude why f is discontinuous, we would say the limit as x tends to minus 2 from the left of f of x is equal to the limit as x tends to minus 2 from the right of f of x, but is not equal to f of minus 2. Therefore, discontinuous at x equal to minus 2. And then that leads into 5.3. What type of discontinuity occurs at x equal to minus 2? So when the limit exists but the function value does not, we call that a removable discontinuity. So it is a removable discontinuity at x equal to minus 2 because the limit exists but is not equal to the function at that point. Okay, so that is the question about discontinuities. So before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.